There are people spending thousands of rands every month on supplements, gym memberships, and health gadgets, trying to live longer, feel better, and slow down the aging process. And then, some people are doing something that costs absolutely nothing, that science says it's more powerful than all of those things combined. It's called sleep. And most of us, especially here in South Africa, where we are juggling 2 jobs, load shedding, and financial stress, are getting it completely wrong. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. No pills, no gadgets, no money required. Here's the problem. Let me paint a picture for you. You wake up at 5 a.m. for work. You didn't sleep until midnight because the inverter was beeping, the neighbor's music was loud, and you were scrolling through your phone trying to decompress from a stressful day. You get maybe 5 hours. You drink 2 cups of strong tea or coffee to function. But by 2 p.m., you are exhausted. By 10 p.m., you are wired again and can't sleep. Sound familiar? That cycle is not just making you tired. It is shortening your life. Research shows that people who consistently sleep less than 6 hours per night have a significantly higher risk of heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and even dementia. We are talking decades off your life. And here's the part that most health content won't tell you. It's not just about how many hours you sleep. It's about the quality and the timing of that sleep. Science says your body runs on something called a circadian rhythm. Think of it as your internal clock. It governs when you feel alert, when you feel tired, when your cells repair themselves, and when your hormones reset. When that clock is disrupted by late nights, bright screens, inconsistent wake times, your body can't do its maintenance work properly. While you sleep, your brain literally flushes out waste products. Your muscles repair. Your immune system strengthens. Your stress hormone cortisol resets. Your memory consolidates. Sleep is not rest. Sleep is active maintenance. It is your body's factory shift. And if you skip the factory shift every night, the machine breaks down. Think about your car for a second. Imagine never changing the oil, never letting the engine cool down, never giving it a service. What happens? It breaks down, and it's expensive to fix it. Your body is the same. Sleep is the service interval, and it's free. Here are the 3 things you can do tonight for free. Number 1, fix your wake time first. Most people try to fix when they fall asleep. That is the wrong place to start. Instead, fix when you wake up. Choose one time, even on weekends, and stick to it for 2 weeks. When your wake time is consistent, your body automatically starts making you sleepy at the right time the night before. It's like setting a biological alarm. Number 2, kill the light 1 hour before bed. Your brain produces melatonin, the sleep hormone, in response to darkness. But screens, bright lights, and even LED bulbs send a signal to your brain that it is still daytime. 1 hour before your target sleep time, dim the lights, put the phone face down, and switch to something calm. You don't need a fancy app. You need less light. If you have load shedding, this is actually your advantage. Use the candle or the inverter downtime as your wind down signal. Number 3, keep your room cool and dark. Your body temperature needs to drop slightly to trigger deep sleep. A cool room helps that happen faster. If you don't have air conditioning, a fan, an open window, or even a cold shower before bed, it can work. Darkness signals to your brain that it is safe to go offline. If light bleeds through your curtains, even a simple sleep mask from Checkers for 30 Rand can make a real difference. Here's the payoff. If you implement just these 3 things, consistent wake time, less light before bed, and a cooler, darker room, you will feel a difference within 7 to 10 days. Not because you spent money, not because you took anything, but because you finally gave your body the one thing it's been begging for. And over months and years, that consistent quality sleep is one of the most powerful things you can do to add years to your life. Scientists are not exaggerating when they say this. The billionaires in the longevity clinics know this. They are just paying for what you can do for free. If this helped you, subscribe to this channel, because every week I'm bringing you real, practical longevity habits that don't require a medical aid or a big salary. Next week, we are talking about the one type of movement that costs nothing and has been shown to add years to your life. You are going to want to see that one. Drop a comment below. What time are you committing to waking up? Starting tomorrow? Let's hold each other accountable. I'm Professor Reason. Live long, live strong.